Good morning, sir. I'm Marvin Brazal from BSECE 3C. So, now we will be doing a forward, reverse, and stop circuit using motor. So first, we will put our materials, power supply, a motor, and here we will be using a two relay. Um, relay. We will be using this double pole double throw and a single pole double throw relay here in our experiment. Next we will be using a DPI switch, which has, it is a single pole single throw switch. So this switch will be our our trigger to create a stop, forward, and reverse. Then I will put some indicators, LED, for reverse and forward operation. So I think we're good. Okay. So first I will connect our supply to the breadboard for positive, and here is negative. Next, I will connect the first circuit, the first switch to the source. Then this switch will be the stop and start of these two switch. So I will connect this to the here. Then I will connect this parallel into switch number 3, so we can control them both. Next, I will put this relay and our motor here. Okay. Where can I put it? Maybe here. Okay. Then I'll put our indicators here. It's negative. I'll connect the breadboard across so we can have a supply also below. And connect here. The value must be 200. Connected nor positive. Then I will reroute here after we completed the circuit. So this will be green for forward and red for reverse. So first we will connect the first switch forward basis in this normally closed circuit, connecting here to our motor. So first we'll connect this to the 11th terminal, change color, green. Then the end will connect directly to our motor. Then next, the negative terminal, I will reroute it here, since we will be having a double configuration. So I will connect the ground of it to these two switches, so we can alternately control it if we want it in reverse or if we want it in forward. So I will be connecting it to the terminal 6 here. Then their common ground in terminal 4 here, ground. Next, now I think we have a working forward circuit, so we can test it. So I will on the switch, then trigger the number 2 for it to switch to for it to on. So now we have a working motor in forward or clockwise rotation. Then I will connect some indicators so we will know if our motor is running in clockwise. So the N terminal of the resistor will be connected here. You can put it number 2 or here. So I mean maybe here na lang. Okay. Green. So as you can see, if our motor is rotating in clockwise, so our LED turns green. Then next, we will be putting the reverse function. So in order for me to do it, I will be using this second relay. Then first is I will connect the trigger switch number 3. Wait. Close. This trigger number 3 switch to the controller of the first relay and also connected to the second relay. So then I will connect it the inductor to the ground. Then so as we trigger this number 3, these two switches will move, changing its course. So next, the end line of our motor must open this and reroute our negative into this positive terminal for it to reverse. So next, I will put the positive source of the relay. Then I have trigger orange. Okay, I have trigger here. Okay. I don't have the negative connecting in this relay. Negative, so it can switch. Right? I'll close first. I'll do the circuit. So when the switch goes up, so this will be connected to the negative terminal, so it will run in reverse. We will connect this here, orange. Then now the terminal 2 must be connected to the next line here to exit in our common ground. So we have the positive, the trigger, both trigger, and the common ground here, terminal 6, close. Okay, I think it will work. So first we will connect, we will turn it on, then trigger the number 2 as forward, then the next will be the number 3 as reverse. So now we have a working circuit. Now, so the indicator must be connected to the trigger switch number 3 here, connected to the red as a reverse function. Next, so what's happening here is when we turn on this, we trigger the the normally close, so it will just function as forward. Then as we trigger number 3, the gates here, the switch here will close, disconnecting our normally closed circuit, making for the reverse, for our motor to reverse. So here, as we can see, the connection from 3, we have starting from here the positive end line. Then as we trigger number 3 switch, it will turn upside. Then the connection from the positive to negative terminal in reverse. Then it will exit here in the positive pole, ending in the negative common ground when we switch the common ground here. So that's all. Turn on, forward, stop. Turn on, forward, reverse. So we can also do both, forward, then reverse. Thank you, sir. Now I will be rerouting the reverse LED, the forward LED here in our normally closed circuit, because as we can see, as we turn on this both, our 2 LEDs will light on. So I will just move the green light here, so as initially when the circuit is closed here, because we trigger it in number 3, the LED must not work, not just like before. So we'll do it. First I will on this, then trigger this, then the LED green must turn off, then this will light on as we trigger the reverse function. Okay, that's all.